Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Storefront change error on iPhone and App Store. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the Storefront change error in your App Store, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to connect with a different, strongest and a stable network connection. Then go ahead to your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, go back, go to language and region, select the region and select your own region in which you're living. Once that's selected, you go back again and go to data name section, and you just have to enable this toggle to set your data name automatically. Again, go back, go to software update, try to update your software. After updating software, go back, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone network setting. It will not delete any kind of data, so you can easily try this. After that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If your issue is still not fixed, so you have to check for the issue which you are having, because sometimes you cannot change your storefront information due to pending subscriptions or due to remaining balance in your Apple Pay or in your Apple Wallet. So now to fix that, the very first step is that you have to simply open your settings app, tap on your Apple ID, select subscriptions, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any subscriptions here. If you find any kind of pending subscription, so I recommend you have to try to remove them. So once you have removed your subscriptions, you have to go back. You have to also make sure that you haven't any credit balance in your Apple Wallet or in your Apple Pay. If you find credit balance, you just have to try to spend your credit balance by purchasing anything or by buying anything, or you can also try to contact with the Apple Store team to spend your or to clear your balance if you are facing the balance is more bit, so you can spend this, so you can try to contact the Apple Store team to spend or to clear your account. So once you have done, you just have to simply open your App Store, tap on your profile option in the top right, tap on your Apple ID, and here you must have to try to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, and then tap on country or region option. And here you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. And here, for example, let's say I'm gonna select this one. You just have to try to select the country or region which you have just selected in your Apple's or in your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm gonna select this one here. So once you have selected, just tap on the continue option. And here just tap on agree in the top right. Now on this screen, you have to try to add payment method. If you have any payment method, you can add it here, or you can also select the none option if you don't have any payment method. Then you have to try to add your billing address. There's your street it's required, so you have to try to enter this. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then you have to enter your postcode. If you can't know about this, so you can try to search from Google, or then you have to enter your town, then country, then your phone number and the name. After all this, tap on the done option in the top right, and your storefront informations will be successfully changed without any kind of error. But in some cases, if you still find any error, so you can try to contact with the Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do that, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this from your App Store, or you can use the Apple Support web. Let's say I'm gonna select my app here, just select iPhone, then select this more options, select App Store here, just wait for the loading, and you just have to select just get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.